First things first, I appreciate your support. Now, this is a top-load washing machine, a Samsung. How do you expect clothes to come out clean? Look at this. So the drum looks clean from the inside, yes, but during the spin, the clothes touch here. Okay. So what happens is it will wash, but it will stain clothes. So what you need to do is just take a clean, damp cloth, wipe this, remove the filter as well. These are the filters. Remove the filter from here clean. Look at this, quite dirty. So what you need to do is you need to just take a cloth and wipe this. Once that is done, even this one here, look at this one here, wipe that. This is the soap dispenser. So when you put soap here, you don't see how dirty it is. Look at this. Remove the dispenser clean. Remove the filter, close water, remove the filter here, clean. And then we have down there the drain filter that also should be cleaned. So don't play yourself. Ensure your machine is in good condition. Basics. You don't need a technician to do this. Clean the filters, wipe all these stains here. These are breeding ground for bacteria. So your machine needs service and maintenance.